Hello everyone. Today I want you to go with us to our local library. So this is it. This is where we are. Bamboo Regional Library. So I am going with my two little kids. My two teen kids are not with us. So this is Banbury Library. Okay, today is Saturday. You see that? Yeah, so after our returns, you drop it off here and that's it. You go your way. All right, let's go. Today is for limited hours. So today's hour is this. This is it. When is it closing? Hello. Okay, this is another return. Okay, so we are inside the library. This is the information desk where you scan the book, you are learning and so on. Okay, now let's go to various sections. First, we are going to the kids section. Yeah, so you will see there's still play area where you read books and stuff for the kids. You see how it's decorated? Yeah, one is for kids. Yeah, you know, very colorful. Yeah, you need to. You see my son, pick a book, choose a book. Last baby, he actually came here to play today. He said he wants to go and play Lego. You want to go to? I guess he got tired of the Lego in the house, so just needed to come out. It's public holiday, and no, not public holiday. It's school holidays. You know, it's still after Christmas. So the books are arranged in. We don't have a lot of people in the library because Monday to Friday, people will just come in, and today is Saturday. I guess people will be chilling at home. And age, so that's why it seems like it's empty, but it's where did they write age? Really a busy place on a normal day. Yeah, so we are done with the kids area now. Yeah, there is a photocopy machine here for everyone. The ID is say you will need to put money in the coin box before choosing the color options. Okay, please choose paper size and stuff. Okay, so this is where you slot in your money and you print. Okay, so it's for everyone. It's a public photocopy. You can even walk in here and come and do your printout and photocopy. So you can walk in and do that. So these are sections of the library. Right, go up. So cooking book. So this is how the library books looks like. So it has this state library stamp tag on it, so that when you are home, you know. And when you get the book here, they scan it. It goes to your card. These are books. Okay, let's go around. Let's go. Okay, there are study rooms and conference rooms as well. Like this one is locked. No one is using it. These are paintings by the kids. What do you have?
So that one's the first one. I'm very down today, this one.
Okay, you need to help Jide to get some books. Okay, and this is Lego area. So you can come here and train yourself in Lego. Okay. For a normal day, the library starts from, I think, 8:30 or 9 till 5. But for Saturday, it doesn't open on Sunday and public holiday. On Saturday, it closes at 1 p.m. So you can come here. For people that do lessons and stuff, they can just come in here and do lessons with anyone. Yeah, you see those places? You see this is meeting room and stuff. So someone can even ask to meet. I will meet you at the library. You see how quiet it is. Everyone comes in and respect his or herself, even the kids as well. They know they're in the library. So these are still the sections. You see that new, and this one's also in alphabetical order. If I tell you a story of how I made New Year resolution 2 years ago, that I will be reading more novels, more books, and I went and bought this book I never finished. You know, when you are studying, I was doing my master's then, but I couldn't keep to my resolution. Okay, so this is another reading area. Okay, this you can just be here and read. You see the plug your laptop here, your phone. You see, they always make provision for everyone. See, please keep your feet off furniture. Okay, it's a reading area. Yeah, it's a reading. It's huge. Okay. It's massive. This is another section of the library, another section and reading area. Reading area. One good thing about this library is that it has Wi-Fi. You can log on to Wi-Fi. There are computers for you to use as well. If you bring your laptop, you can plug it. All the reading desk has provision for you to plug your laptop or your phone or your iPad, any of your devices. There is sink area where you can wash your lunchbox or wash your hands. And yeah, there is another reading area, also computer place where you can just stay and read. And yeah, such a big library, positioned for everyone, and just come here and chill. You wanna do Lego, boy? I don't know. It's for you today. Are you surprised there's no one here? There used to be so many people. I think because it's holiday and sad people have been here Monday to Friday, so Saturday they are not here, I think. Let me show you how to take a book from the library. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this. So these are library cards. Okay, these are library cards. So you see, these are my family library cards. The first time you come to the library, okay, you go to the information desk here. So it depends on which library, but the first thing you will see will be the information desk. Tell them you need a card. Okay, all they need from you is your home address, your phone number, and your email. Okay, and your identification. It can be any identification, your driver's license, your passport, or anything just to identify you. Anybody can get it, no matter what visa you have. Once you're a resident of Australia, they will give you this card. They will scan it. So let's assume now you want to rent this book. So each library book has a library tag. Okay, and here they will scan it. First of all, they will take your card and scan your card, and they will scan the book. The book goes to your record. So you're supposed to hold this book for 6 weeks. Before 6 weeks, like maybe a week to 6 weeks or few days to the expiry date, they will send you SMS and tell you that you hold a library book, please return. And when it's overdue, they will still send you SMS or email as well to remind you. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And you return it. And if you spoil a book, they will tell you how much it is, then you pay for it. And if you don't return the book, you will never borrow any book again. I don't know what if they don't see you again, what happens, but once you don't return a book, that's it. You won't be able to borrow with that card anymore. And you know that your address and everything is linked together and your name, so you can't actually come and get a new card as well because everything is linked together. Okay, so that's it. Easy peasy. Yeah.
Come back and put them in the thing.
conference room. Okay, so these are the toilets, the returns. If you don't want to go in, you can return your books here, the book you loan from the library. So that's how to loan the book. So this is the elevator, the lift, the toilets, and another activity room for people that have meetings and stuff. And you can go down through this. Okay, let's go down and see what is down there. Okay. Oh, this is the floor. Okay, you see that? So this is the floor side. We didn't come in through here. So this one will lead you to the other street. So this is it. Another, yeah. It's big. Let's go up. And all right, let's. You're coming in. You're coming from the up. Let's. Yeah. Okay, so this is a street. Yeah, that will lead you to the town. I just want to show you around, then I will come inside the library again because my children are still there. I'm not leaving yet. So just to show you around the library. And yeah. Yeah, let's go inside again. Back to the library. Okay. What are you building?
Boys vs Girls House.
Come, adult fiction. DVDs. These are DVD sections. DVD sections. Audiobooks. Oh my gosh. They have audiobooks. They have DVD section. DVD section.
I'm really hungry.
You just ate. I know what you want to eat.
What? Can you go to a restaurant after? Yeah.
You always like restaurant.
Yes, I want to go to a restaurant.
Say it again.
I want to go to a restaurant.
You wanna go where?
A restaurant.
A restaurant.
Yes.
What do you do in a restaurant?
You eat food.
Where you Oh my goodness. It depends.
What do you mean it depends?
Maybe you have a play date at 1 p.m. You remember?
The restaurant's gonna be quicker. I can eat it around that. I know, I didn't say McDonald's, did I? I know. We're not having McDonald's again.
It can't be again. You just had McDonald's.
I know.
And now?
Do you want me to push this?
And now?
Like you said yes. No, I didn't. I said no. You said yes, I could hear. And I said yes, so I'm moving slowly.
What are you doing?
It has a roller wheel that okay, but that doesn't mean you're allowed to. I know. I'm gonna put somewhere else. Then you're gonna come with me.
Okay. At your service, boy.
Yeah, bring your books with me.
You're going with your books.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, is that just that? How much are you paying me to watch?
I don't know. I have money in my bag, so take how much?
So I can take how much I want from your
Yes.
bank account. You have a lot. Is it what Daddy said?
Yes. Soon I'll be richer than him when I start my job.
Which job? You can't even save your money. You want all the good things, girl.
Yeah, because that's what
When you want all the good things and you don't save, you can be poor.
That's why I'm going to start saving.
And this.
And then I'll get a job and then I'll be richer than everyone. Okay.
You look cool. What's that?
I hear something disappear.
It's magnifying glass. Can I see? They want to check out the books. I think I'm going to let them do their own thing. Yeah. Okay, did I give you a card?
How are you?
Good.
All right. How can I help you?
And take your book. Give your book.
Thank you.
Yes.
That's for you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Excellent. Do you want me to give you a receipt? For the list
Yes.
of what you've got? Yep.
Always get your receipt, boy.
Excellent. There you are. That's for you.
That's your receipt.
Thank you. And this one's for you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Give me a card. Let me keep.
Yours.
Give me
Thank
a
you.
card.
And would you like the receipt back?
Yeah.
Okay. No worries.
Today you want a bookmark?
Yeah, that's
Come on, take book.
well done.
Why you don't want bookmark?
Mine, I will bookmark.
Thank you. Take
Oh, I didn't
bookmark.
want that bookmark. I want this bookmark.
Thank you. Get bookmark. That's the end. See you in my next video. Bye.